Hello dear friends, today we are going to start our chapter of quality assurance. We know that in our 5th semester of mechanical engineering diploma, we are having one subject which is industrial engineering. Industrial engineering is the subject which is related with the engineering directly concerned with the industry. So in that particular subject we are having one chapter, and that is the quality assurance. So today we are going to start this quality assurance chapter. So in this particular chapter we deal with the quality and its assurance. The quality is the most important term which are used in the engineering field. Same way, quality must be assured. It means the manufacturer should give the assurance to the customer that whatever the product you are going to use is having the proper quality which is mentioned in that particular product range. Okay, so today we are going to start with the introduction of the term quality. So what is the meaning of quality? Quality is the most important term for the today's competitive era. If the industry can give the quality of the product, then and then the industry can survive in the market. So quality is we can say it is the most important feature for the product, as well as if the customer can get the proper quality, then and then the product can remain in the market. Otherwise it can be thrown out from the market. Suppose you are going to purchase a scooter, or we can say a bike, then the company will give you the assurance that if you will run your bike or you run your car up to so many kilometers, then after there is no any issue generated by the particular bike. So this is called the quality. Now first of all we will go with the different terms which are the important for the purpose of quality, or we can say some points which should be taken care for the quality. The first one is the raw material of product must be of good quality. Means the raw material, if you are producing any product, then it is the prime important part which type of raw material you are using. Suppose the manufacturing process is very nice, there is no any issue, but basically the raw material is having the less quality, then you cannot go for the higher quality product. So raw material is the most important part. Second one is the manufacturing process used for production of quality must be of excellent quality. So as we had discussed that raw material is the important part. Whether you are using good manufacturing process but your raw material is not good, then you cannot give the quality. Same way, if the raw material is very good but you are not follow the proper process of the manufacturing, then after you can not get the desired quality of that particular product. So this is also important part. Third one is the inspection and quality control during manufacturing of product must be very strict. Okay, so you are having a very good raw material, you are dealing with very good manufacturing process also, but the inspection of the product was not proper, then after there are chances of the less quality. Okay, so inspection is also important part, and same way quality control. So quality control is a separate part, but the control of the quality is also very important. Means if you are having a very good raw material but you don't know that in which particular temperature range you have to manufacture, and if you not follow that particular things, then there are chances of less quality. So it is also inspection and quality control is also important part. Next is the measuring instruments used during inspection must be of high accuracy. Yes, the manufacturing process is having different kind of quality inspection measurement devices. If the measurement device is having the issues, it is not the proper, it is not the accurate one, then after there are chances of less quality. Means you are measuring the part with wrong measurements, so it can create some kind of problems. And last one is the final inspection and testing of products must be carried out strictly. The last thing after manufacturing of the particular product, the important part is the final inspection. So final inspection must be done with the proper methods. Okay, this is the important part. And testing also needed. Okay, as you know that whenever we are going for any testing of any bike or any car, then the manufacturers are testing that particular product with lots of things, with lots of different type of test methods. Okay, even they stock the car or bike with wall also, means it is accidental test. So there are lots of tests are going on. The product must be passed through each and every test for the most important and better quality aspects. Okay, last in this particular session we will go for the definition of quality. So the definition of quality means product quality can be defined as the composite product characteristics. It is the composite means it is the collection of many things. Product characteristics, the product is having different characteristics. It should be studied further. It should be defined by our need also of engineering and manufacturing that determine the degree to which the product is used will meet the expectation of the customer. Okay, so customer is having its own desire that I need that particular product for this reasons. If the reasons can be satisfied by the product, then and then we can say that the product is having a quality product. Okay, so it should be a measurement technique that up to how instant the product can give the satisfaction. Okay, so this is totally, we can say, a definition of the quality. Quality is a relative term. We cannot identify the quality with some measurement criteria. It is a relative term. Suppose I will give you the example that you are using one nut bolt arrangement. Okay, so this nut bolt which are used in your home for simple purpose, it is having less quality than the nut and bolt, same measurement used in the machine for the preciseness. Okay, so the quality of your nut bolt which is used at your home is having less quality compared to the same nut bolt used in the machine, but it is a comparative thing. So we can say that the quality of that particular nut bolt is less compared to that particular used in the machine. But it may be possible that you are using a very good quality nut bolt. So just keep in your mind that quality is a relative term. We cannot say that the quality is having some pre-described criteria for each and every applications. The measure of product capacity to satisfy need of customer is quality. So quality means up to how extent a product can satisfy the need of the customer. Second thing is the measure of satisfaction given by product as per its use and price to the customer is called quality. Means up to how extent the person is satisfied with that particular product. Next is the quality is the measure of capacity of the product to produce in a group to represent the characteristics. Means the product should represent its characteristics also. It is also, we can say, quality. If a good quality product is there, then it can give you a good representation of itself. Last one is the quality is measure of consistency of use of product with its lowest price. Means price matters. Okay, so if you are having a very good quality product with comparatively less price than other product of the same criteria in the market, then we can say that you are having a good quality if the price is comparatively less with others. Okay, so in this particular session, up to this we will keep, and you should know the definition of quality, which is the prime need. Okay, thank you very much.